There's the map. So this is the map of America, right?
Mm-hmm.
And all of these little parts are different states. Okay, so California is this long one right here.
California, I'm going to circle red because it's hot.
Yeah. And then Texas is this big one right here. This is where I used to live.
And now you move?
Yeah, remember I moved a few months ago to go to school.
Oh, yeah.
So now I live all the way over here.
Where?
This little thing right here.
You moved so far?
Yep, I moved really far.
How drive? How long does it drive to move here to here?
Oh, I have no idea. I got on a plane to go over here. Okay. So across the nation, people celebrate the harvest. At home or with others, it is no wonder the harvest is fun, time for all.
Across the nation, people celebrate the harvest. At home or with others, it's no wonder the harvest is a fun time for all.
Okay, so here we have the map, and we can see that the map is telling us 3 things, right? But we're not sure what those 3 things are, so let's look at the key. Okay, so the little pumpkin is the pumpkin race in Oregon. And then the corn is Corn Festival in Kentucky and Ohio. And this 3rd one is Pilgrims at the First Thanksgiving in Massachusetts. Okay, so let's take a look at the pumpkin one. So right here, the name of this state is Oregon. And so here they have the pumpkin race.
Mm-hmm.
And then what was the corn? Corn Festival in Kentucky and Ohio. So this long one right here is Kentucky, Ohio is on top. And so they have that. And then here in Massachusetts was where the first pilgrims came to America, right? So they came all the way from Europe. So they crossed, a big ocean in boats.
Mm-hmm.
And they got here. Okay. Okay, so let's see this. Author's purpose. An author's purpose is the reason why an author writes a selection. Find a clue to help you understand the author's purpose. So go ahead and read this, and then we'll talk about it.
First Thanksgiving is in our nation was in the 1621. The pilgrims who had come to America had a feast to show thanks to the harvest. They ate duck, deer, corn, and scratch. Can you compare that to meals today? Well, I eat milk, cereals, toast, and fruits for breakfast, and rice, and a little bit more vegetables and potatoes for lunch, and for dinner we had soup with rice.
Okay, very good. So let's look at the circled part in red. So this circled part, it's 2 sentences, and it's kind of telling us what happened, right? Why is this dinner happening? Why are we celebrating Thanksgiving? So in these 2 sentences, it tells us that in 1621, the pilgrims, they didn't come here, right? Because they came in 1620. So remember, it was like a year later. But they had this dinner, right? Where they invited the Native Americans, and, they just shared all the things that they got from the field. So the vegetables, the fruit, and they just had a big meal together.
Okay.